Hello friend, now let us see the problem number 120. What is the problem 120? Student, if you see this problem, in a solvent 50% benzoic acid dimerized while rest is ionized. Okay, so that is benzoic acid is there, student. What is happening? You see benzoic acid, two things are happening. That is it dimerize, you know how much? 50%, and that is ionize. So after 50%, if 100 is there, so remaining is 50%. Ionize also, that is 50%. Up, that is, so alpha is equal to 0.5 for dimerization and alpha is equal to 0.5 for ionization, right? Now student, these two information we got. Determine the molar mass of acid, which is observed, and also want of factor. So molar mass, so they ask, I don't know, by mistake they ask molar mass. That is not required, because want option they have given only want of factor. So you try to calculate want of factor. So student, how to calculate want of factor? Okay, for dissociation, student, for dissociation, so dissociation formula I is equal to how much, student? 1 plus in bracket n, n minus 1 alpha. And for association, okay, for association, that also student, what is formula? That is 1 minus alpha and then alpha by n. These two things, right? This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. This is the very basic one. So total I, if you want to calculate total I, so total I means that is I association, or that is dissociation. Better you can write that is I dissociation, so that it will be more easy to understand. So first of all, you write that is what I dissociation, that is I we are having. This is, you write dissociation, I dissociation. Okay, and then what we will write, that is association, I association, right, student? So let us write the I dissociation. We have equation 1. So what is there? 1 plus, what is there, student? N minus 1, that is alpha, and that is another is there, 1 plus association 1 minus alpha, and alpha by n. And when you are calculating I, that is, this is initial mole. Also initial mole 2 mole we will take, student. For dimerization 2 mole we need to take, student. How 2 mole we need to take? Like that, C6H5 COOH is there. Okay, so 2 mole if you take, so it will be there C6H5, COOH, it will be the twice. So 2 mole initially taken. So when you are calculating I, so that is initial mole 2. So in this one, student, you keep the value. So n, for n value will be, that is 2. N value will be 2. So how you will be able to solve this, student, if n value is 2? Both, so that is I is equal to, you put the values in the formula. Okay, so 1 plus n minus 1 alpha plus 1 minus alpha plus alpha by n divided by initial mole 2 is there. So you put the value. So 1 plus n value, that is 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 alpha value 0.5, right, plus 1 minus alpha value 0.5 plus 0.5, 50% means 0.5 by 2, a total divided by 2. So you solve it out. So 1 plus 2 minus 1, 1. So and 1 into 0.5, that is 0.5, plus here is 0.5, this is 0.5 plus 0.5 and divided by 2 into 2, that is 4. So you add out how much is coming, 1 plus this 0.5, so that is how much, 1.5 upon 4. So how much is coming, student, if you are adding out, if you are totally adding out, if you are adding out, student, this student, this will if you simplify, this will here multiply here. So if you are multiplying, so it will come 2 5 the 10 1.5. So you don't take this in the denominator. If you are taking this in denominator, so it will create the problem, student. Okay, so denominator let it be 2 only. Okay, so in denominator it will be 2 only. Okay, so here also it will be in denominator, that is 2 only. So how much value will come, student? That is 2.5 upon 2 and is equal to, it is coming 1.25. so I is equal to 1.25. You can keep out the values here. This, which number option is 1.25. Option number B is the correct option, student. Thank you so much for watching, friends.